This is chapter 3 of our discussion about naming compounds. Now, these are the previous chemical formula from the previous one. Now, these compounds, by the way, these are binary compounds. They contain or they are composed of only two elements. Now, how about for more than two elements? We call them as ternary compounds. These compounds are made up of at least three different elements. Now all of these are ionic compounds. Ionic compounds are made up of ions. So an ionic compound is always made up of a positive ion and a negative ion. Again, as we go back, this one is the cation, the positive one, then the negative ion is the anion. So for this, we can refer to this table for the names of the different ions on this compound. The first part, by the way, the first part is always the cation. So these are all positive here. And then the second part, these are all the negative ions. So again, for the first one, we have the positive ion. We have sodium. So this one, if we look here, this one is a sodium ion. So in naming this, just copy the name. This one is sodium. And then for the second part, again, this one is the negative ion. So you look for the list for the negative ions. Then we have NO3. This one is a nitrate. So this one is sodium nitrate. The second one is calcium. So calcium is over here. So calcium. And then we have CO3. This one is a carbonate. Carbonate. Then for the next one, we have this one, NH4. NH4, this one is an ammonium. Ammonium. Then SO4, this one is sulfate.